This is the XSense Link Plus SD19-W. This one came in a 3-pack, but we also have a 6-pack in this house. This has a 10-year lifespan on it, according to the manufacturer. The nice thing is that these are wirelessly interlinked. And the thing that's nice about this is that if you buy a 3-pack of these, they are automatically linked together. So you don't have to mess around with linking them. Same goes for a 6-pack. So if you buy a 6-pack, all 6 are linked together. The other thing that's nice, it comes with this plate, the device itself, and the mounting hardware. But the thing that's really handy about this is I wasn't thinking about what I wanted for covering up some existing holes here. So you can see here's a hole here, and originally I was thinking I wanted one of the magnet bases. Well, what I realized is now is that a magnet base that's adhesive would have a problem covering up these boxes, which are in older houses are linked to a lot of them. So this works out really well because this can mount right up to that box and cover it right up. So the other nice thing is that as soon as you mount this, it engages. So let me show you right now. So here it is installed, and you'll see here, one nice thing is that as soon as you click this in, it beeps, and that lets you know that this device is on and active. So you don't even have to worry about pulling a cable or anything. As soon as it is mounted up, it is ready to roll.